pues esta es la cocina que ya la estamos desmantelando. Aquí mirad cómo está todo. Bueno, ya estaba peor. Lo que pasa es que hemos limpiado de todos estos meses. Hemos ido limpiando. Hemos ido tapando agujeros. Pero bueno, es que aquí esto es importante, ¿eh? Chulo, chulo. Fregadero aquí. Toda una vida lleva. Los armarios aún quedan vaciarlos, pero bueno. En una mañana lo tenemos. Y por aquí es donde estaba el horno, que lo hemos quitado. Mira, vitro. Y ese agujerín, vemos que por dentro circulaban ratones, porque los escuchábamos por allí. Por este cajón, por este cajoncito escuchábamos ratones. Entonces este cajón ya se tapó, puse todo de silicona. Este no sé si ha sido cajón alguna vez, es solo embellecedor. Este sí que es cajón, pero bueno, inservible, porque no yo aquí me da cosilla. Pero bueno, a ver qué seguimos encontrando.
Hey yo, big wave. Tell them I come. Small time alongside JW.
My bestie and your bestie sit down by the fire. Your bestie says she want parties, so can we make these flames go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ane. Start my truck, let's all jump in. Here we go together. Nice cool breeze and big palm trees. I tell you, life don't get no better. Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ane.
Okay, your mama ngwele. Step on the dancing floor. Hips be winding, DJ rewinding. Take it to the island way. Okay, your baby mama. Put on your dancing shoes. One drop it, pop it low now. Take it to the max now. Jam in the small jam way. Jam in the small jam way.
My bestie and your bestie dancing by the fire. Your bestie says she want parties, so can we make these flames go higher? Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ane.
Let me take it from here. Solomon girl straight up, right hoochie mama. Make me party non-stop in a island banda. Swing those hips and back it up to me ragga. A chance for party ladies do the doggy doggy. I'm drumming island reggae, rapping blue, green and yellow. Me jumping and me beat, make a slow wine for me baby. Speakers pumping, people jumping. We drumming the island way.
Shout out to the good time crew all across the islands. Grab your shoes, let me 2x2, and now we're shining bright like diamonds. Talking about hey now, hey now, hey now, hey now. I go, ane. Chucking more fina, anane. Chucking more fina, ane.
Yes, one drop it a bit low now. Take it to the max now. Jump in the small jam way. Wind it.
Wind up, go down, wind up, go down. Twist your body backward.
We go
left, we go right.
Enfoca ahí. ¡No se te caiga! Esto de aquí, pero mira que hay aquí. Qué asco.
love is alive. And so we begin. Foolishly laying our hearts on the table, stumbling in. Our love is a flame, burning within. Now and then, firelight will catch us stumbling in. You were so young, oh, and I was so free. I may have been young.
No sé qué hay, pero he visto algo moverse.
You were the one. Oh, why was it me? 'Cause baby, you showed me so many things that I never see. Whatever you need, baby, you got it from me. Our love is alive, and so we begin. Foolishly laying our hearts on the table, stumbling in. Our love is a flame, burning within. Now and then, firelight will catch us stumbling in. We hid around corners and she hid under bed. She killed it with kisses, and from it she fled. With every bubble she sank with a drink and washed it away down the kitchen sink. The dog days are over, the dog days are done. The horses are coming, so you better run. Run fast for your mother, run fast for your father. Run for your children, for your sisters and brothers. Leave all your love and your lonely behind. You can't carry it with you if you want to survive. The dog days are over, the dog days are done. Can you hear the horses? 'Cause here they come. Happiness, I hit her like a bullet in the struck my heart, great heights. My someone who should have known better had it. The dog days are over, the dog days are done. Can you hear the horses? 'Cause here they come. Run fast for your mother, run fast for your father. Run for your children, for your sisters and brothers. Leave all your love and your
Para que se vea que trabaja también. Que eso lo tenía yo a punto de caramelo. Claro, él aquí con la maquinita y él con el martillo.